Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be doing a sound test of the Sony ECM-XYST1M. I just got this and I need to get better sound quality on my Sony NEX6, and I want to do a sound test to see how this improves the audio quality. So right now you're hearing the internal mic, so this can be the benchmark that you sort of test it to, and I will be doing this on the normal setting, both dead on and in the stereo wide setting as well. The other thing I wanted to try, which I'm really excited about, is connecting an external mic, this SM-XYST1M going through a USB audio interface into the mic out jack of the Sony ECM. There's another video that says this works. I'm a little bit skeptical, but we're gonna find out. So now you're hearing the internal mic. I'm going to play some guitar as well just to get a better idea of the sound quality. So let's switch it up. Alright, so this is the Sony ECM mic. It's now on the NEX6. Hopefully you can see it behind the mirror. This is my voice, so this is the test you can do against my voice to see if anything's different. Hopefully it sounds better. I don't know. I haven't heard this yet. And let's do some guitar as well to see how that affects the quality. I'm about 2 feet away, I would say, from the mic at this point, so should be picking me up pretty nicely. And now let's switch it over to stereo. So now it's in the wideband stereo mode. Shouldn't be too much of a difference, but we'll see. I don't have like a wide array of sound going right now. It's pretty much all coming from behind me, but ideally this would work better in a louder venue, concert, outdoors, etc. Alright, so now the final test, I'm going into the SM58 Shure mic. If you can hear me, that is great, because that means it's going through the mic into the USB interface, lining out into the mic output of the ECM. It says mic output, but if this is working, that means it also acts as an input for other external mics. And one more test I'm gonna mess with the inputs at the USB interface level, so you guys can tell that the sound is coming through the mic and not through the ECM itself. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. It's completely off right now. Test 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 test. Alright, that's the video. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and if you have any other suggestions for other audio tests to try, shoot me a comment and I'll try and work them out. Thanks.